Hi there, students. A charlatan. A charlatan is a trickster, a fake person, somebody who pretends that they have knowledge or expertise that they don't have, particularly for personal gain. So, in some ways, a confidence trickster, yeah? A swindler, yeah? So, a charlatan, this is somebody who says that they're an expert in this and they know all about this and they can help you do this, and all you need to do is pay them a modest sum. But in reality, they don't know anything about this. They're not an expert and they're just after your money. So I don't believe in the supernatural. So I think all psychics and people who claim they can tell the future are charlatans. Yeah? Let's see, a charlatan doesn't have to be a confidence trickster. It can be somebody who's always claiming knowledge that they don't have. He's a real charlatan. He says he can speak brilliant English. He says he's an expert builder. He says he's a rally driver. These are all fake stories. He's a charlatan. Yeah? He's always saying things that he can do that he doesn't really know about. But also we have this idea of the confidence trickster, the swindler. I think in the past, a charlatan used to be particularly a person who sold patent medicines in the street, a quack, somebody who said they were a doctor, or this medicine is the best, it will cure absolutely everything. This is a charlatan. Normally a charlatan's a very skilled speaker. The problem is they're lying. Okay, this word charlatan comes from Italian, charlatano, or charlare, to babble, to chat, yeah? And this, I think, originates from, in Italian, meaning from a person from Cereto, or Cereto in Italian, in Umbria, in Italy, which was famous because they had lots of quack doctors, apparently. But I'm sure there are people out there who could tell me more about that. So, charlatan, how formal. I think this word probably 6.5 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but you might just say a fake or a poseur or a swindler, yeah? This word's definitely very good in semi-formal and very formal frameworks, okay? So, a charlatan, somebody who pretends they know about something they really don't know about, to pretend to have expertise. So there you go, charlatan. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.